Alright everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing. And what do we have here in this box? Something very special to bring back my childhood. Guess kinda sorta. And for some entertainment value on YouTube here. So, I went out and did some purchasing so I can do some repairs and videos and maybe one day play some games. So we're going to start by opening the box here so you can see what's inside. And so I could see what's inside. I got it from eBay. Who knows? It could be a box of rocks. We'll see. Probably not, but we'll see. Anticipation is almost over. And it's not a box of rocks. And someone thinking, you're welcome for buying your stuff. I will leave you a positive review. So, what we got here is not one, not two, that one's the broken one, but three. Count them, three. Oh yeah, more broken parts. Yeah, this wasn't broken in shipping. This was already like that. I was known when I bought these three systems. One of them's in rough shape. So you could probably already a little bit tell by, what's underneath the plastic and what I spent my money on here. I got three of these nice Super Nintendo consoles. And this one's, oh, that's just a hair. Okay. Not too bad a condition. This one's in very, very decent condition. These are not working properly at the moment, so that's why I got three of them. And this is the one I think all those parts came off of. No? Oh yeah, this one's got some rattling. Yeah, there is. This one's in rough shape. Just busted up on the front there. Which is alright. I can live with that. I'm gonna fix up... Oh, I guess two of them are broken. Maybe that one was broken in shipping. Yeah, this is the one that's broken on the side here. Okay. Well, I might have to figure out those cases, and we'll see. But yeah, I was hoping to get these running. Yeah, maybe sell one of them or two of them to some lucky people. I got one person already kind of interested in having one of these, so this one's a little bit different. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that, see why there's three different systems here. But we'll see. Either way, should be fun. And of course, you can't have a Super Nintendo without the stuff to go with it. This should be all the accessory packages and all that. Hold it up here. Don't want you seeing my address. Yeah, I'll just open it from the back. I'm sure y'all are friendly and all, but I don't need y'all knowing where I live. Oh yeah, so there we go. Power pack for the Super Nintendo. One controller, two controller, and of course the stuff to go with it, or that thing, so I can hook it up to my TV. These look like brand or unbranded. Yeah, they're not branded. I really like some of the branded ones, but I was hoping these were the branded ones, but no luck. Maybe I'll find some one day and get the real controllers. But that's it for now.